Caprice. We're going to be working on the trunk lid today. Luckily, we're not going to be working on this one. As you can see, we've got some rusted out places. Busted around the trunk latch. Some more pinholes over here. Just eat up with rust. Luckily, the owner found a parts car and got a good trunk lid. Got a few small dents right there, nothing major. A few areas of surface rust like that. Bunch of small stuff. Underside looks almost brand new. Considering it's been sitting in a junkyard. And over here we got some rust repair we'll have to do. This car actually caught on fire one time. You see some burn marks up there. It's been sitting for about 5 years, so we're gonna try and get this trunk lid took care of today. A couple spots cleaned up. Still got to get some rust out of it. I'm gonna do this whole area, block it down, get it straight. I'm gonna take a wire brush on a drill, hit all these rust spots, get that out of there. Probably put some rattle can primer on it because last I checked, it was about 33 degrees. Still too cold to prime or paint or anything. Gonna have to pop these badges off. Got some more surface rust right there. Got a little more on the other side. Way better than the other trunk though. We're gonna get on this, get it took care of though. Unfortunately, we found a couple little pinholes when we was removing the rust, but it's nothing too bad. We can take care of it. We'll get these badges popped off, clean that up, see if we got any more pinholes. Bad news is we have more rust holes. The good news is it is not that bad. It is nowhere near as bad as the other trunk lid. And I can fix it, so we're gonna get on that. YouTube, as you can see, I've marked the places need to be replaced. I'm gonna get that cut out. And luckily, that part on the other trunk lid is in good shape. It's about the only thing in good shape. So we're gonna cut the good pieces out of the bad trunk and cut the bad pieces out of the good trunk. We got the bad stuff cut out. Get it cleaned up as best I can. Found another hole. It's gonna be take care of that when we get on the inside of the trunk. We'll get the welder fired up and get these pieces tacked in. Got the patch pieces tacked in. So start welding them up. Just to let y'all know, if y'all ever do any kind of work like this, when you weld up this sheet metal, take your time. Because if you don't, you're going to warp it up, you'll never get it straight, you'll oil can it, you'll have a big mess on your hands. We're going to start welding this up and get it took care of. Alright, we got our patch pieces welded, cleaned up. Threw a little bit of rattle can primer on it just to protect it until we get it ready to prime the whole trunk. Got that one right there kind of moved on me when I welded it, but it'll be alright. All the surface rust areas, hit them with it, that way we don't have to redo those. So far we're in good shape. We got our 2 small dents took care of. Got it blocked down. Went ahead and shot it with some rattle can primer. Now when I actually prime this, I will strip it all back down. Just wanting something on there to protect it for the time being. Still have to add some filler in our patch pieces. They turned out pretty good. So far it's looking like we're going to be in good shape with the trunk lid. That's going to be all for this video. I'm running out of time today. There will definitely be more videos on this build. We still got the rest of the outside of the car to do. We're waiting on a new hood. And once we get the outside done, we're going to get in the inside. There'll be a lot of fiberglass work. And I have to replace at least one floor pan that I know of. So we got to get the carpet took out of it. So y'all stay tuned and let me know what you think.